Hello, I am Dr. Muneshwar Suryavanshi, working as a consultant in Department of Neurology, Yashoda Super Specialty Hospital, Kaushambi. I will tell you some facts and myths regarding epilepsy and also clarify some of the concepts about epilepsy for the general public. What is epilepsy? Epilepsy is a chronic disorder in the patient tends to have recurrent fits. Seizures are caused by sudden surge of and or technical overload of brain's electrical activity. With treatment, about 60 to 70% of the patient of epilepsy can be seizure free. Yet another three quarters of people in developing countries do not get the treatment they need. After 2 to 5 years of successful treatment of epilepsy, medications can be withdrawn in some patients, and about 70% of the children and in 60% of adults without any later relapse. With proper medications and doctor advice, people with epilepsy can lead healthy and active life, can have social and marital relationships, perform well in their jobs and other activities. Most women with epilepsy can give birth to normal and healthy babies. What are the myths regarding epilepsy? Commonest myth is that it is caused by demons and spirits, which is not true. It has nothing to do with past life. It's a scientific neurological disorder and that can be controlled with right treatment. Out of the 7 crore people with epilepsy worldwide, nearly 1.3 crore people with epilepsy are expected to reside in India. With treatment, about 60 to 70% of people with epilepsy can live seizure-free life after 2 to 5 years of treatment. What are the do's and don'ts in epilepsy? Do's are: do take your medications exactly as directed, do yoga and exercise regularly, get enough sleep and eat well. What are the don'ts? Don't skip your medications, don't eat unwashed or partially cooked green vegetables, don't consume alcohol, don't stress yourself. And what are tips for caregiver? If you think your loved ones might be having seizures, it is important to discuss what is happening with his or her doctor. Keep a record of how often unusual episodes of seizure occur, the time of day it happens, and what form it takes. If possible, take video from mobile when seizure comes. This can help your doctor to determine which type of the epilepsy the patient is having, and it will help the doctor to give a proper treatment. A doctor's first tool in diagnosing epilepsy is a careful medical history, which as much information as possible about what the seizure looked like and what happened just before they began. If someone in your life is diagnosed with epilepsy, it is important to be supportive and understanding. What to do when seizure comes to people with epilepsy? Place something soft and flat under the head. Try to turn the person on her or his side. Remove the individual eyeglasses, tie or scarf if you can. Also look out for any hard or sharp objects nearby that might cause injury. Don't offer food or drink. Even a sip of water could cause choking. Don't put anything in person's mouth. It is not true that people having an epileptic seizure can swallow their tongue. Okay, thank you.